Boldly going. Understanding and using the phrase. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, boldly going. This phrase is not just a simple combination of words, it carries a rich context and usage in the English language. So, let's dive in and understand what it means and how you can use it effectively. Boldly going is a phrase that combines the adverb, boldly, meaning with courage or confidence, and the verb, going, which denotes movement or progress. Together, the phrase suggests moving forward or advancing in a manner that is confident and courageous. It's often used to describe embarking on new, challenging, or unexplored paths. The phrase gained popularity from the famous tagline of the TV series, Star Trek, "To boldly go where no man has gone before." This line epitomizes the spirit of exploration and bravery. It's a call to face the unknown with courage, often used in contexts of exploration, innovation, and venturing into new territories. Let's see some examples. 1. The team is boldly going into the new market, ready to face any challenges. 2. She boldly went against convention to pursue her dreams. These examples show how the phrase can be used to describe actions that are daring and unconventional. While using this phrase, ensure you don't confuse boldly with blindly. Blindly going implies action without thought or care, which is the opposite of the thoughtful courage implied in boldly going. I hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase, boldly going, confidently in your English conversations and writings. Remember, it's all about taking that step forward with courage and confidence. Thank you for watching, and keep exploring the beauty of the English language.